Okay, here we are.
Hello.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is it my turn to say the prayer?
Yeah.
Probably.
Okay. Guys, we're going to pray for our little meeting. So, just, yeah, heads up.
Father, we thank you for the opportunity we have to be able to be here, reunited to be able to talk about trigonometry and be able to meet and go over things that we have learned during these weeks. We ask you to bless us so we may be able to have that spirit and know the things we need in order to succeed in this class. And we say this in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Sound cute. Alrighty.
Problem is I realized halfway
For number one, these are just four triangles.
We're getting okay with those.
Yeah.
Everyone knows how to use the sign.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh yeah, you could just use the log signs on the.
Do we want to do all the same? See if we get the same answer, or we want to do different?
I think it's Lily and Marshall.
We can do the same one and see if we get the same.
Yeah, let's just do that.
Okay.
So which one doing? The middle one?
The middle one, yeah.
Is it solving for number triangles or just solving?
It looks like just solve the triangle.
You need to figure it out if there is two, though. Dance. So we do number two?
Or the middle one, yeah.
Yes.
Hang up then.
Take it off.
Yeah.
It's in our way. We're gonna egg some people's houses, but we don't have any eggs, so we're just gonna open up their houses.
Milk the house.
Nah, we're gonna make some
Have
food.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Camille.
Bye.
So I'm getting a complex number error.
Me too, and I don't know why.
I can't figure out why.
That's how I was
I've
like,
redone it like 3 times.
So what was it again? If B is smaller, no, if B is larger than A,
Let me look.
there is one
are you solving
triangle?
solving for C, right?
Yeah. I've been solving for gamma. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong.
So you took sine of 39.6.
Yep.
And then,
Divided by 3.7.
Okay.
And then times it by 18.4.
and then it's
And then arc sine
arc sine of that,
of that.
and it's giving
And
it
it's
that.
giving
And me
yeah,
too.
I don't know why.
Try it one more time.
Yeah, I've done it like 3 times and I don't know what. Yeah, let me look. If
I got that B is larger than.
yeah, did you get a real number for?
Huh?
Did you get the answer for this?
No, I'm trying to figure out if there is any triangle at all.
Oh, okay.
Oh, maybe that's it. Maybe there is no triangle.
Because
That would yeah.
I
that would
got
be
it,
good.
like-
That'll mess me up. Hold on.
That
I
would
got
be
a 11 for this one, and this is a 3.7, which is really small.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
I just looked up the answer key. It says there's no triangle.
no triangle.
That's why I was like,
There
what
goes,
is
guys.
what the heck?
I was like, I'm sure there.
No triangle exists. Okay.
That's why you
We're
always
smart,
have to
guys.
check.
Okay, cool. No triangle. So let's do something number 2.
Okay.
Oh, just
Well, I mean, we can find the direction, or we can do the combination, or we can do the multiply. Let's do.
you want to pick one? Maria?
Let's just start.
Just okay.
Okay.
Número 2.
So the direction motive of W.
These ones I'm not too great at.
Do you have the formula? It's just using the formula.
What's the formula?
I don't
So
know.
the formula for the magnitude is, I'm just gonna write it, you can write it. B equals to square root of A squared plus B squared. That's the magnitude.
What is it?
Oh.
Is that
That is just the absolute value of the vector.
Oh,
what
the
it
absolute value.
Oh.
Yeah.
I do remember these. So absolute value vector is equal to
Oh, A squared plus.
a squared plus.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is the magnitude. And then for the direction, you're gonna find the angle. And usually the one that they give us is V is that one. So
Is sine of theta equals
B over magnitude.
absolute value v. Okay.
and then you literally just use that.
Equals B over F.
And then you have to figure it out if it's in which quadrant it is, so you can subtract.
Yeah, I do remember that.
Which I hope I did it right in the quiz. It was in the third quadrant, and in that one it's a little bit. But it makes sense in my head. So. Okay. To the camera just so he doesn't get tired of my face. Oops.
So you have to figure out the magnitude.
It says W.
Oh. Direction of
I
magnitude.
mean, if you want to do it for both, sure.
I probably should actually read what it says. That might be helpful. Just maybe.
It's really?
I was like, someone's drilling. Yeah.
Like, who's drawing? Why?
B is the horse is
B is Y.
is Y.
Yeah, there's no reason.
Yeah. Okay, so I got absolute value. Square root of 11 for W.
I got a square root of 13.
I don't know. You're right. It's square root of 13. 9 plus 4 is 13.
Yeah, so you got it right then.
And then sine of theta. Did you get that?
Mhm.
Sweet. I love it when we get things right.
Two of, and then you're gonna get the up at the inverse sign of that. It should give you an angle.
The inverse of which?
Of sine.
Oh.
Yeah, because you have it like this, and you want to know what this is, so you
Yeah,
use
so you have to.
inverse.
So what did you get for that?
For the
Did you-
inverse, I get 33.69
Okay.
for the angle, and then because this is in the second quadrant, you have to subtract 180. And then that's gonna be
Yeah, that's, yeah.
okay.
B.
Okay, with number 2.
That is right. Cool. I love it when we have formulas. It just
I
makes things
know.
work.
It's like, give me that
It's
formula.
wonderful.
That's why I love mind deep about it,
Yeah,
Just follow steps.
yeah. Okay, so the component form of the vector, magnitude 3.5 and direction 2.05.
Yes.
I don't remember what the component form means.
That is just like the reverse of what we did. So we're gonna find the x and the y.
Oh. Okay, yeah.
I'll tell you.
If you just remember like that little, sometimes how to do like every, you can remember like what equals what, taking out parts and putting it.
Yeah.
So,
So that is used for
Mhm.
the x squared plus y squared equals r.
Oh, that's right. Sorry.
Yeah, so do you have a special formula for this?
Three.
You're looking at 4.
I was
Sorry.
like, it's fine. All right.
B divided by
So you just convert
yeah, it would be hard enough. Yeah, because we have 210. Okay.
I'm doing this one here. I think converting the equation is easier than converting the points.
That would-
Okay. I'm just looking at the homework. Usually it has a good example. Oh, here it is. Go back. Get that. Okay, here it is. Oh, never mind. Okay, find the component form of a vector. Oh,
Where's the video?
All right. Okay. Okay, I got the formula.
You got it?
What's the formula?
Sweet. In touch.
Okay, so the horizontal component of the vector is equal to A equals n cos of theta. And then B is equal to same thing but with sine, which makes sense. So it is real simple.
Like so. So,
So the
so where do we plug
magnitude,
in? Yeah.
so
So magnitude would be
and the angle is 205.
so. Where do you plug in the 3.5 though?
That is the magnitude. That's the sine. So
Oh, so you literally just times
3.5
3.5
times
by-
cos of 205. And then sin. That's it. So yes, it is real simple.
Oh, that's way easier.
That's really
I made it
easy.
way harder than
Oh my
you.
goodness.
Like a
Thank you.
magnitude is like the actual value of the vector.
Is that okay? That equals
So
yeah,
it's 3.5 times cosine of 205.
Yep.
and that will give you
8.
Like 3.16, yeah.
yeah, and 3.17. You got -3 and I mean
Okay.
that's why.
Yeah, yep, and it is in the third quadrant, so those numbers. Okay.
What did you get for the second one?
Negative
47.
Yeah.
Sweet.
There we go.
Now for number 4. Wait, let's just look at the homework. That's not two.
But this first one is just the reverse, isn't it?
For the first one? Oh, you're trying to do the equation instead of the times?
We did this one,
It
right?
says to
And then for
convert
this
it.
one, it says to convert the other one. So we just do this, what we just did, but backwards. Right?
I thought we're converting that to polar coordinate. Are these polar coordinates
I
too?
think so.
Because this is magnitude. Okay, yeah.
So
So
it would
yeah,
just
it is
be-
just what we did here.
So 4 equals. Oh, would you use the,
Yeah, you will use this one here.
okay.
Right there.
Are you guys working on
Mhm. Yeah.
and is that are you just using the formula for that?
The d equals square root of 8 squared plus.
Yeah, it's the same thing. They just call it R instead of B. Oh, and they use the tangent instead of the sine.
Or
For number 1, on number 4. So
why did they And the answer key?
So no.
Oh,
So we're looking for the polar coordinates, which are r and gamma, alpha.
the Y looking one?
No, that one.
Theta?
Theta.
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 Yes.
Oh, I always was like angle. Theta. Yeah. And so
Theta.
r is equal to x squared plus y squared, and then it would be tan
So
of theta equals to.
So you're using that formula, but you're just taking the tangent of it? Or
X and y plus. Those are the formulas. Which I mean,
so you're using
this
the
is
third
pretty
one?
much the same thing as the magnitude.
Mhm.
They only changed this for an r, and then they changed this AB for y and x. But then this one they use the tangent instead of the sine.
Yeah. So are you using tangent for one? But that formula, the last one?
Well, because you have
'Cause-
a x and a y, and you have to change it to r and l. So this is what number one gives us,
Yeah.
and you want that. So
Okay.
to get the r, you need to use this formula, and to get the theta, you need to use that formula.
Okay. Yep. On the same page now? So tangent theta equals y over x.
Yes, y over
Y
x.
over x.
Interesting that you cannot use the sine.
Yeah.
Not sure you can. I'm gonna see if you could.
So that gives you r. Okay. What did you get? I got for theta negative 51.
Yeah.
3.
That's what I got.
Okay. And then I got square root of 41 for r.
Yeah, I got square root of 41. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
But this one's the same one. The next one's the same one as number 3. Pretty sure.
Like
It has the magnitude of, instead of having a magnitude of 3.5, it has a magnitude of 5 and a direction of. So we saw that one the same way.
Yeah, I just do that the same way.
Yeah, you can literally solve it the same way. Like I did this. Instead of tan, I use the sine of y divided by r, and it gives me this. So yeah, you literally use the same thing. And now let's do one of those converting things because I really struggle with it.
And then,
The
what do we want to do? The third one or the fourth one?
the y equals negative 3x.
No, actually, I think that's easier, is it?
They're both just plugging in stuff.
Y is equal to r of sin. X is equal to r. Plus,
Y is equal to r times sine
Sine.
of theta, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
get R by itself. So.
I think we need a whiteboard.
Yeah.
Right.
What is R in this case?
We want to have like R equals to something.
One R by itself.
Okay, let's do this one more time. Like I can totally just getting the R by itself, man. Yeah, like, for this one, would you multiply 3 times R and 3 times cos, or just 3 times R?
I think it's 3 times R times cosine.
Yeah,
so
you can
it'll
multiply it
be
to
3R, 3 cos, like that.
Or I think it's just 3 times R times cosine.
Which is
So like get rid of the parentheses.
like that.
Yeah.
Okay. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, so uh-huh.
I don't want to like cancel out R though.
Well, you have 3 R's, so you won't be able to cancel R.
That's right.
Would you do R equals cosine inverse of 5?
Oh, actually, no, maybe. Never mind. You will count.
So I'm trying not to do that.
Could it be R equals the R cosine of 5/3?
Can you show me how you got that?
Just like you do the 3R cosine equals 5, and then 5 plus 3.
I see it.
Yeah, let me write it up.
Just so I can follow what you're saying.
Yeah, I have no idea. That little guy right bottom. I mean bottom right. Because I'm trying to get R.
Mm-hmm.
I just I don't know.
So
Let's say this.
So I went from, I'm right here at the beginning. So you have this original, right? And then you can replace y with that. And you can replace x with that. So from here I'm not exactly sure.
Yeah.
Okay, I think if you is that sine of theta? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So if you
I think that cosine is supposed to be a theta too.
yeah, that would make sense. You divide. Oh, because you're trying not to cancel out the R's, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like
that's
that's
a big
what I
deal.
keep running into.
Yeah.
That is the problem.
I'm just trying to get them together without But-
Okay.
canceling.
How
It's
would
like
you-
getting them together.
Yeah.
Okay, what about this then? The
If you did.
y minus 3, and then you have minus x equals
Oh.
5.
If you just. Okay.
And so it would be
What was-
sine.
Because if you just minus add instead of multiplying divide.
Yeah, for right now. Because you still like, yeah, I don't know if that will work actually.
So what are you adding?
I'm just.
So
Theoretically,
like
if
this, r sin 3 minus r plus sine 5. Maybe it doesn't.
So you divided by -3 over there.
No, wait a minute. Why did I do that? 3. That minus 3 has to stay in here. So it would be like that.
Wait, where did the 3 go? Oh.
And then
So you just added this right here.
yeah, I changed it that way. So at least you're in the same side. How did you get rid of the sin and the cos? Can you just multiply?
You have to do the arc cosine. Arc cosine. The inverse.
The inverse.
That's how you get rid of the cos.
You don't want to get rid of the cos. You just want the cos to be on the other side.
On the other side.
Yeah.
That's the only way.
Am I overthinking this?
But maybe
Because what if you.
Equals. Is this just it? Am I being?
but there's an R in here.
Okay. Yeah. I know.
I know. I was like, why couldn't it just be like that?
If you divide both sides by
Uh-huh.
sine of theta and cosine and 3 cosine of theta.
Can you do that though?
I should try it. See what happens.
Because this plus makes things real hard with the rules.
Not really. If you divide it, like if you put this in
So-
parentheses and divide the whole
So
thing
divide the whole thing
by sine
by
of theta
sine of theta
plus
plus
3 cosine of theta.
3 plus sine of theta.
Not R3. Yeah. And then you do that.
I do that on
That's
that side.
And then
it'll
you're
be
left
R
with-
plus R equals
Equals 5.
divided
All
by
that.
sine plus
5 over
3
sine?
plus theta. And then it
Oh,
will be 2R.
Yeah.
So it will
That's what I got.
R multiplied by 2.
How did you get that?
So I put
So
it
just like walk
all
me through it real
together.
quick. So we have this. Oh wait, no. We have
These ones are so
all right. So we have this.
crazy.
Yes, and then we move this one over here.
So just
So you add it.
Yeah, we added.
Plus 3 cosine.
There's an R in there.
So then divide the whole left side by sine of theta plus 3 cosine of theta.
Did you do
not the R.
Not the
No,
R.
the R.
3 cosine of theta. And then you divide 5 by
Oh, yeah, that's right. So
that.
you're
Yeah.
left
So you're left
with
with
R
R
plus
plus R.
R plus R. So 2R.
Yeah, 2r.
equals
5 over what you have down there.
And theta plus 3 cosine theta.
And then you can just multiply it if you want.
Yeah.
or divide
Would you?
divide out to
Yeah, and then you would. You'd have to. You could do that. You could do that if you just put another divide sign underneath. Yeah, true. And then you just do 2/1 times
that's
cosine
okay.
theta plus 3 sine theta
So you
over
get
5. So you just multiply it by the inverse. Yeah,
so you get like
No, it will be backwards. It will be 1.
it would be 1, 2, 1.
so that could be it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check.
Okay.
How
Do it.
far away from the truth?
Um,
Oh, there's not 2.
where'd the 2 go?
That's the
I don't know.
question.
Maybe it just combined like terms and just went away.
Yeah, I wish that was like that.
But we were on the right
we're on the
track.
right track here.
Yeah.
Yeah, good
Oh,
job.
the 2.
Good job, Maria.
Yeah, where did the 2 went? Maybe he forgot about it?
He flew away.
Oh well.
We kind of know how to do that one.
Yeah, we'll figure it out, guys. Good job.
Now we know what to study.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And well, I think that's it, isn't it?
That is
So, yep.
it.
Yeah. There you go. That's it.
Yay.
I'm stopping this.